Welcome to Display Museum. I am Dr. Pan, the creator of Museum.
Hello Dr. Pan, I'm Greg. I came here to learn about digital matrix resistive touchscreen.
Hello, Greg. Digital matrix resistive touchscreen is being replaced by analog 4-wire and 5-wire resistive touchscreen. The most vivid feature is multi-wire FPC. It is going to need 2 layers to achieve the touch function: top sheet ITO film and bottom sheet ITO glass. It is supposed that bottom layer is X electrode and top layer is Y electrode. Anode end is 5V and cathode end is 0V. Every touch point in touch screen is corresponded with 1 wire in X electrode and another wire in Y electrode. That is why there are so many wires. However, analog 4-wire and 5-wire resistive touch screens can achieve the exactly same function as digital matrix resistive touch screen, and much cheaper. The latter is the more primitive, and the former is the newer and improved product.
Dr. Pan, is digital matrix resistive touchscreen still used in the medical application?
Of course, it not only has all the merits of analog 4-wire resistive touch screen, but also is extremely accurate because one touch point is corresponded with 1 wire in X electrode and another wire in Y electrode. The phenomenon of deviation is not going to happen like analog resistive touch screen does. It is still used in industrial control machine because of the high quality requirements.
Thank you Dr. Pan, now I got it.
Welcome to contact us if you have any question.